Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Would you please?
Good morning all. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself and my partner. We are from 7 Group. I am is Zahra Maulida and my partner is Muhammad Abdul Ghani, Muhammad Raya, and Siti Nur Afiana. The purpose of our presentation is comparison contrast paragraph. Part of comparison contrast paragraph. Organization. Comparison contrast paragraph. Block organization, point by point organization. Sentence structure. Comparison signals, contrast signals, review, and writing assignment. Comparison and organization. Comparison and contrast is a technique that we use every day. For example, we compare and contrast courses and teachers when we decide which classes to take. We compare and contrast products and prices when we shop. An employer compares and contrasts applicants for jobs, and a job applicants compares and contrasts job offers. In college classes, you will often have to compare and contrast. For example, in a history class, you might be asked to compare and contrast two historical figures or two events. In a literature class, you might have to compare two poems or two characters in a play. Knowing how to write comparison or contrast paragraphs is a very useful skill. When we compare two or more things, we tell what is similar about them. When we contrast things, we tell what is different about them. Usually, that emphasis in on the difference, but sometimes a paragraph describes both similarities and differences. As you read the model paragraph, decide which one emphasizes difference and which one describes both similarities and differences. Model comparison contrast paragraph. Right brain, I left brain. The left and right sides of your brain process information in different ways. The left side is logical, rational, linear, and verbal. The right side, on the other hand, process information intuitively, emotionally, creatively, and visually. Left brains think in words, whereas right brains think in picture. People who depend more on the left side of their brain are list makers and analysis. They are detailed, careful, and organized. In contrast, right brain people are visual, intuitive, and sensual. When a left brain person has to make an important decision, he or she makes a mental list of all the factors involved and arrives at a decision only after careful analysis. When a right brain person has to make the same decision. On the other hand, he or she is more likely to base it in intuition and feelings. For example, a left brain automobile chauffeur will consider a car's cost, fuel efficiency, and resale value, whereas a right brain chauffeur bases a decision on how shiny the chrome is, how soft the seats are, and how smoothly the car drives. Of course, no one is 100% left brain or 100% right brain. Although one side may be stronger, both sides normally work together. Read the following card that the personal manager for a medical laboratory prepared. In the chart, she summarizes the qualification of two applicants for a summer job as a receptionist in a medical laboratory. Then read the memo she wrote her boss. Applicant JZ. Education. High school graduate, 2 years college, 3.4 GPA. Work history, summer job as a file clerk in office, some patient contract. Volunteer in retirement home. Interview, excellent, friendly, open, likes to be part of a team. Reference check, excellent recommendation from one past employer. Availability, June 1. Applicant as Y. High school graduate, 2 years college, 3.5 GPA. Summer jobs, car wash, pizza delivery, hospital volunteer, library, gift shop, no retirement home, patient contact. Excellent, friendly, often likes to work independently. Excellent recommendation from all past employers. June 1. Okay, next is Siti Nur Afiana.
Block organization. In block organization, your group all the similarities together in one block and all the difference together in one block. Both model paragraph use block organization. All similarities, all difference. Next. Point by point organization. In point by point organization, your work about similarities and difference by subtopic. For example, if you are comparing and contrasting several wireless telephone plans, you you might compare and contrast them. One test subtopic: cost of telephone, similarities and difference. Monthly rate, similarities and difference. Lack of contact, similarities and difference. Reliability of service, similarities and difference. Next. If you have a lot to say about each subtopic, you might need to write a separate paragraph for each one. The pattern of organization, your course depends on your topic. Also, whether you discuss more similarities or more difference, or about difference depend on your topic. A topic sentence for a comparison contact paragraph should name the topic and also indicate comparison contact organization. The left and right side, the sides of your brain process information in different ways. When buying wireless telephone service, you should compare different plans on 4 points. A concluding sentence for a comparison context paragraph might repeat the main idea. The hiring decision is difficult, but because both applicants are so similar. A concluding sentence may also make a recommendation. However, the X would be the better choice for the respondent job because of her experience with patent contact and preference for working with other staff. In my opinion, the Telefox telephone is the best choice for our company. Next, Dara. Sentence structure. Just as they are singlets, words, and phrases that help you reader understand them. Time order. The three are also words and phrases that help you reader understand similarities and difference as you read the following model. See if you can find test comparison context singles. Model comparison context singles. Two varieties of English. Although US English and British English are mutually understandable language, there are quite a few differences. One difference is sleeping. Some words are spelled one way in the United States but spelled another way in Great Britain. A person goes to a Brit Street but to a UC theater. In UC schools, student tourists, analysts, and different is vocabulary. For example, the word child names two very different types of schools in the United States and Great Britain. University level in the United States and pre-university level in Great Britain. Also, British university students live in house on campus and in flat of campus, but you see students live in dormitories on campus in apartment. Son of in the worst fight, love on plain and dance is like the in father. In the United States, in context, the son in the words is like the in a cat in the in cat. All in all, so there are differences between the English spoken in the United States and the English spoken in the British Isles. We understand each other most of the time. Next. And the next, Gani. Gani. Next, Raya.
Comparison signal. Following is a card of the words and the pastel that now similarities. Now the numbers correspond to numbered example below the cards. Sentence connector. Similarly, likewise, also, to. Coordinating conjunction, to and to. Subordinating conjunction, 3 as, just as. Others, 4 similar occur the same. For a similar to equal to, just like, the same as, equally. Pirate conjunction, the 5 both and not only but also. And one sentence connects an upper in various place in a sentence. See peg egg for to review their use. Tokyo is the finale head to Japan. Similarly, likewise, New York is the center of banking and finance United States. 1A also often appears in middle or at the end of a sentence. Then use as with assimilation. Tokyo is major financial center. New York is a center of banking and finance also. Tokyo is the finance heart of Japan. New York is also a center of banking and finance. 1B and 2 usually comes at the end of sentence if often appears together with the coordinating conjunction, and some writers put a comma before to at the end of a sentence, but is not required. Tokyo is a center of style and fashion. New York is too. Tokyo is a center of style and fashion. and New York is 2. 3 is is a subordinating word. It begins a depends clause. The word just makes it stronger. Notice that you use a comma even when the independent clause comes first. This is an excavation to usual rule. Tokyo is friendly and hip as just as New York is. For these words act like adjective, that is, they describe noun. Tokyo and New York traffic problem are similar, equal, the same. Tokyo and New York have similar, equal, the same traffic problem. For these words are like preposition, they come in front of noun. Tokyo traffic is similar to just like the same as New York. Like New York, Tokyo has traffic problem. For B, equally is an adverb, is descriptive and adjective. Crowd and adverb also descriptive, a verb another adverb. Tokyo and New York City are equally crowded. 5. Period conjunction are always used together. Notice the word that comes after second conjunction must be the same part of speech. Noun, verb, prepositional first as the word that comes after the first conjunction. This is an important rule in English and called the rule of parallelism. The two cities are both trendy and hip. The two cities are not only trendy but also hip. The two cities are both trendy adjective dan hip adjective. The two cities are both noisy adjective and have too many people per phrase. Both New York City and Tokyo have outstanding international restaurant nouns. Tokyo and New York can both eat and drink in any key of restaurant verb. The two cities have both positive and negative features adjective. Not only Tokyoites but also New Yorkers dash fashionably nouns. You can see joggers not only in Central Park but also in Hibuya Park. Prepositional phrase. And the next, Muhammad Abdul Ghani. Contrast signal. Contrast signal point of difference. Sentence connectors. And one in contrast on of the hand forward. Coordinating conjunction. And second, but second to a yet. Cooperating conjunction. 3 while, whereas 3 all talk, even talk. Others 4 differently found unlike. The 5 the from differ from in. One sentence connector connect two independent clauses. Most baby animals can walk within a few hours of birth. In contrast, on the other hand, however, a human baby needs about 11 months to learn this skill to use, but when the idea are opposites. The leg the language center is on the left side of the brains of bright-handed people, but it is on the right side of left-handed and ambidextrous people. To a use yet when one idea is a surprise unexpected combination of a other idea. It is also possible to use but the left side of the brain controls logic and reasoning, yet it also controls language. 3. Use well and where use well and whereas when the ideas except what is well and where's can begin either clause. Always use a command even when the independent clause comes first. This is in expression to the usual rule. I have brown ears, while where's my brother ears are green. While where's I have brown ears, my brother ears are green. 3a. Use all talk, even talk, or talk when one idea is suppressing or impacting communication of the other idea. All talk, even talk, and talk can sometimes, but not always, begin either clause. My grandfather is the wisest man in our town. All talk, even talk, talk, he never finished his school. All talk,
Baik, dilanjut. Three. Three. Oswald and Wallace when the ideas are exact opposites. Will and Wallace can begin either clause. Always is a comma even when the independent clause command phrase. This is an exception to the usual rule. I have brown eyes. Will, so whereas my brother eyes are green. Will atau whereas I have brown as my brothers as are green. 3. I was although even though or though when on ide is a suppression of or unexpected continuation of the other ide. Although even though and though can some sometimes, but not always. Being other close, my grandfather is the wisest man in our town. Although even though he never finished his school. Although even though he never finished his school. My grandfather is the wisest man in our town. For from an unlike are both preposition, put a noun or noun first after them. Differently is an adverb. It describes the verbs think and learn. The way left-brained people think and learn is different from the way right-brained people do. Unlike left-brainers, right-brainers often know the answer to a math problem which you know how they go it. Left-brained people think and learn differently from the way right-brained people do. 5. Differ is a verb. A verb. Left brain and right brain people differ in the way they think and learn. Next, writing assignment. Writing a paragraph, compare and constrain to school system. Follow follow this steps. Step one. Step one. Interview someone some someone who is not from your culture about elementary and or secondary education system. Because on subtopic time spent in school or curriculum or teacher and teaching styles or author and fill in the appropriate section of the card. The with a paragraph telling about the similarities and difference you discovered. Step 2. Organize the idea by making an outline. Decide whether to organize your topic in a blog pattern or in a point by point pattern with a topic sentence that illustrates a comparison or contrast type of paragraph. Step 3. With the raw draft at the top of your paper, focus on using compression and contrast signal up proprietary. Step 4. Polish the rock draft. Exchange papers with classmates and ask him or her to check your rough draft using per editing worksheets 7 on page 10 because the completed works and the change with change you should make with a scone draft whose left editing works had 7 page. Check your scone draft for grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. Step 5. Read a finale copy. And in your rough draft, your scone draft, your finale copy, and the page containing the 2 editing worksheets. Your teacher may also ask you to hand your writing paper. Yes. Next. Year review. These are the important points covered in this chapter. 1. I. Compression, contrast, paragraph, explains what is similar and or different about two or more things. 2. In block organization, you discuss all the similarities together and all the difference together. 3. In point by point organization, your discuss subtopics in any order. 4. The topic sentence whole. Name the topic and also indicate compression and contrast organization. The following sentence can repart the main idea and make a recommendation. 5. Use compression and contrast signal to show similarity and difference. Finish. Yes, finish. Pergi ke Zahra. Halo, Mom, Mommy. Sudah finish, Mom. And teman-teman, hello. Hello. Nah, pada kemana ya?
Memnya mungkin lagi masih ada tugas tuh nih.
Oh, yes. Yes. Ya udah baik. Gimana ya teman-teman? Tadi udah dibacain ya. Ya mungkin tinggal nunggu momnya.
dijelaskan bahwa comparison contrast ya. Comparison contrast di sini adalah perbandingan antara paragraf 1 dengan paragraf lain. Kemudian disusun dengan reading teksnya adalah right brain, left brain ya. And then so educational work history, interview, reference, check availability. Nah, di block organization ini ada kalimat similarities ya. Jadi Anda sudah bagus ini PowerPoint-nya ya. Tinggal tugas Anda membuat link YouTube-nya. Saudara coba lihat di dalam membuat kontras di sini comparison adalah sentence structure. Comparison signal the sentence connection coordinating conjunction. Conjunction adalah penggabungan. Contohnya but, so, with. Nah, itu kalimat penghubung and juga bisa itu ya. Itu boleh. Kemudian kontras berikutnya coordinating conjunction dengan subordinating. Anda mendapat kesulitannya di mana? Coba temukan saudara dalam kesulitannya di mana. Biar Mem akan memberikan solutionnya di mana? Apakah di writing assignment-nya? Di mana? Halo. 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 Kok diam? Kenapa? Bagi pemateri, coba. Bagi pematerinya, coba lihat. Jangan diam, saya bingung kalau saudara diam, berarti Anda paham. Coba lihat, sini. Ya, Muhammad Abdul Ghani, Raya, Siti Narafah, dengan Zahra. Silakan. Di mana saudara temukan dalam kesulitannya? Apakah di organization-nya, apakah di comparison-nya, apakah di conjunction-nya? Silakan. Nanti saya akan menjelaskannya. Jangan diem saja, kalau diem saja.
Iya, Mam.
Gimana?
Baik, Mam. Ini perlu bertanya di conjunction-nya, Mam.
Oke, good job. Conjunction ya. Conjunction itu sendiri artinya adalah penghubung. Ya, penghubung itu contohnya kamu, misalkan Fania and Rohima pergi ke suatu tempat di mana tempat itu harus bertemu bersama. Itu menggunakan conjunction and. Karena dua personal yang sama-sama mau bertemu. Ya, conjunction itu. Ya, menghubungkan antara kalimat satu dengan kalimat berikutnya. Misalkan but, tetapi kamu diminta untuk hadir, tetapi saya tidak bisa hadir karena 6 misalkan ya. Reason Anda itu 6. Berarti 6 itu berarti Anda sakit atau urgensi, misalkan ada acara urgensi yang sangat lebih penting. Itu menggunakan but. Ya. Konjungsinya but, tetapi ada juga conjunction yang menggunakan so. Ya, atau menggunakan with, dengan. Itu kalimat conjunction adalah menghubungkan antara satu kalimat dengan kalimat berikutnya. di sini dijelaskan. Sebentar ya. Sebentar ya, saya cari tempat lain karena di sini agak rame ya. Sebentar. Saya cari tempat yang agak sepi dulu. Karena di sini rame, sebentar. Oke. Nah, di sini dalam conjunction di sini lihat sentensi strukturnya. Apakah kalimat itu dua-duanya sangat penting? Boleh, silakan. Anda tinggal menghubungkan. Namanya juga conjunction. Menghubungkan antara kalimat satu dengan kalimat berikutnya. Coba lihat di modul saudara. Ini kan berbentuk PPT saja ya, sepintas. Tapi kalau conjunction di sini adalah di academic writing, itu contoh dari conjunction di chapter berapa? 7 ya. Nah, itu kita lihat coba. Tampilkan kalau ada kalian menggunakan laptop, ada di halaman, sebentar, saya buka dulu ya. Conjunction di chapter. Nah, ini dia. Di chapter 7 kalimat conjunction, coba lihat. Nah, di sini subordinating conjunction dengan coordinating conjunction, but, yet. Nah, itu kan ada while, ada although, meskipun, even though, ya, ada difference. Nah, ini baby animals can walk within a few hours of birth. Nah, kalimat di sini use but, ya, menggunakan but when idea, the exact opposite. Nah, coba kalian lihat the right-handed people, but, nah, di sini but-nya ini adalah conjunction di nomor 2 tuh. The language center is on the left, bukan left ya, on the left side of the brain of right-handed people, but, tetapi. Nah, but-nya ini merupakan conjunction, ya. But it is on the right side of left-handed and ambidextrous people. Nah, ini bila mana menggunakan conjunction-nya but. Tapi bagaimana dengan menggunakan yet? Nah, use yet when one idea is surprising or unexpected continuation of the other idea. It is also possible to use but, ya. The left side of the brain control logic and reason yet. Nah, berarti reason yet it also control language. Nah, kalimat yet yang ditebelin itu adalah merupakan conjunction. Ya. Nah, terus use while, ya. Kita menggunakan conjunction while. While itu atau whereas, ya. Whereas when did idea are six opposites, while and whereas, ya, can begin either clause. Always use comma even when the independent clause comes first. This is exception to the use rule. Nah, this is I have brown eyes, ya. I have brown eyes while or whereas. Boleh menggunakan while, boleh menggunakan whereas. Pilih salah satunya saja, ya. Kalian tidak perlu menjawab dua-duanya. While garis miring whereas. Pilih salah satunya saja. Instruksi dari saya. Nanti kalau ketemu dengan kalimat seperti ini, kamu pilih salah satunya aja. Whereas juga betul, while juga betul, sama-sama. Mereka adalah conjunction, ya. My brother eyes are green, ya. Nah, why while I have bronze eyes, my brother eyes are green. Nah ini bila mana menggunakan while. Dan use although, meskipun atau even though or though when one idea. Nah, di sini sudah unexpected continuation, other idea, although itu meskipun artinya. Jadi meskipun Anda datang hari ini, tetapi teman Anda berhalangan hadir. Nah, itu maka gunakan although. Ya, my grandfather is the visit man in our town although. Nah, he never finished high school. Dia tak pernah selesai di sekolahan SMA, high school ya. Nah, itu. Jadi kita menggunakan although. Kemudian Anda pelajari semua yang ada di conjunction. Conjunction di sini ada di halaman 119, 118, 119. Itu. Anda lebih jelasnya mempelajari yang itu. Oke? Jelas yang saya sampaikan? Kalau kurang jelas, bisa Anda tanyakan personal dengan saya. Oke? Itu saja?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Oke. Ya, thank you. Jelas ya?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
others?
Thank you.
Ya. Oke, any others? Maybe question? Silahkan.
Assalamualaikum, Mem. Maaf.
Ya, waalaikumsalam. Kenapa?
Maaf, ini sisa link Zoom-nya ini sisa beberapa menit saja. Jadi
Oke,
kira-kira
ya sudah kita tutup.
Ya, baik,
Thank you information-nya. Oke, everyone, time is over ya. I'm so sorry. Dan next week kita bisa ketemu lagi. Terima kasih. Thank you for your attention. Say together, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirabbil warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.
Ya, welcome. Mem left dulu ya. Maaf.